Hey, welcome back. So this video is going to be about accomplishments, the beginning of it, which is publications, and then we're going to go to other videos which was specific to its certifications, patents, courses, projects, honors and awards as test scores, as well as what is the last one? Languages and organizations. All right, so let's look at the publications. So if you click on the plus, you can add a title, who is the publisher or publication. So if you are published in a magazine like the New Yorker or some other big distribution or publication, you could actually put it here. So like this is an example, the Harvard Business Review, which you can put, and then you can say that freelancer of the year, and then we make it 2020. All right, so yeah, okay, and then you can say when it was published, February 8, 2020. It doesn't show 2020, so you can't actually do it in the future, but basically, okay, and then you can put the publication URL, Harvard Press Review, and obviously, whatever else, and then you can add the author, which is whoever it is, and you can write a description, and obviously they don't publicize or share your changes, but if they would like to look at your publications section, they can go and take a look. So I'm just going to close this. No thanks. Oh, discard. So actually I did publish this book the other day. I'm just going to show you now. You can find it on my computer. It's let me just find this. It says it's an ebook. I've been working on ebooks, and let me go pull it up. So it should be 27. It's October. Okay, so this is the ebook I just created. Facebook Chatbot Strategy, Your Secret Weapon, First Edition. This is by me. Table of contents, what is a chatbot, as well as some pictures, what are chatbots, why do you need a chatbot, how to save time and money with chatbots, Facebook chatbot for real estate professionals, additional information, what are chatbots for, thank you, this is me again, and then you can connect with me on LinkedIn or Facebook. Great. So let me add this. I'm going to show you how to add publications. So this could be publications that you publish yourself, right? So let me show you. Welcome. Cool. Thank you. So let me do that. Publications. Title is Facebook chatbots. Okay, then I am the publisher, so I'm going to say Dear Daniel Lim. Oh, let's just say Mr. Daniel Lim. Publication date was November 30th. I'll just say 27, and then 2018. And this is my publication URL, which I don't have one yet. I'll just put it in MemberClouds. So HTTPS. Oops. Let's say Facebook chatbot. Chatbots. Okay, and then .pdf. I'll put it there. I'll put it there afterwards. Let me make a note of that so I don't forget. And then the description is going to be something from my book, which I'm going to pull. Let me just pull all this stuff. It's a very short ebook because everyone is busy. But so let's say in this ebook we share with you the following, and then what are chatbots? Okay, that's it. I wonder if the format is actually going to be shown. Alright, so let's go to the publication section. Publications, okay, so it's right here. So if we just click on this, they can see, yeah, this is the publication. They can actually click to see the publication, which is not online right now, but it will be. And here they can also, you know, see the publication. So let's go to, actually no, I think I removed it. Let's look at this one. Okay, so let's look at this one. This is another publication I did a while back. Facebook Maestro, Facebook Marketing Maestro. Let's click on see publication and you come to this page, which is where you can download the book. Just read through this. So this is basically the Facebook Maestro that I published a while back. Back in 2015. So I need to publish. I'm going to be publishing a lot more books now very soon. And this is obviously another publication that I have, which you can read. This is back at 2012. So lots of publications coming soon. So see, the thing is, with everything, you look at what you're good at and what you're weak at, and try to improve what you're weak at. So if I have only 5 publications and everything else is 200 something, so the goal is to have over 100 publications. Patterns is going to be more difficult unless you're very creative. Courses as well, it's not difficult. I'm going to add this course, which I'm doing right now, to that. And projects, you know, I'm really halfway there. Honors and awards, got to work on that. Test scores, I can add that also. I just had a few tests the other day, so add it. So those of you who are on Fiverr, take those tests and add it on Fiverr. Languages, the more languages you have, the better, as well as organizations. Okay, so this concludes this video, and we'll see you in another video. Next video, we're going to talk about or discuss the next section, which is certifications. Okay, see you soon.